Hey guys! Welcome to Love Anything Art. Today I'm doing another BeeBeeCraft video. BeeBeeCraft is an online craft store where you can purchase crafts, kind of like you would Michael's or other places. And they also have a YouTube program, which is what I'm doing right now, for small YouTube channels. All you need is 100 subscribers or more, and then you just go to their website and you pick out a few items and let them know when you have all of those items in your cart, and then they send them to you, and all you have to do is 3 videos for them. The first one would be an unboxing video like I'm doing now, and then the second 2 would be videos using the products that BeeBeeCraft has provided you. And it's all free to you, it doesn't cost anything, you don't have to pay any shipping or anything. So these are the items that I got, kind of branching out from my earrings. And I will be making some other things. These are some clasps for making bracelets or necklaces. And it came with a whole bunch. Got this pretty little design here. Kind of look like little hearts. And then some simpler ones. This one's just a little square or triangle, however you want to look at it. This is like a little flowery kind of design. This one's kind of big and fun. It's a leaf. Not sure what the little piece right there on the back is for, but I will figure it out. Like I said, this is all kind of new to me. I usually make earrings, but I've decided to branch out and make some necklaces and bracelets. And this is really cute. It has little grapes on it. Thought that was really cute. Anyway, there's a whole bunch of designs in here. This one's looks like another leaf, I guess. And then several more here in the baggies. I won't take them out, I'll just kind of briefly show them to you. Just kind of want to show you all of the cool little things that you can get. A lot of their packages, you can get big packages like this, and it was actually fairly inexpensive. But they have a whole bunch of variety pieces in here, so I really liked that. Instead of kind of just getting one little piece or design, you can get multiple here. I do like this little box here, but I was having a hard time getting everything back in there to clasp it correctly. But I worked it out. Anyway, it's a fun little container. And you can always reuse it after you're done for something else. And this is the wire that I got for the bracelets and or necklaces. You could probably use it to make like wire beading for earrings too if you wanted to. But it's a pretty firm and flexible cord. It's almost like a plastic that's kind of flexible but really sturdy. I'm going to save all those baggies and use them for other things. And these are the little crimp beads that you put on the end piece of the clasp to keep it all together. This is all new to me. Anyway, I saw those on there and you get quite a few in there, so I thought that was really cool. And these are the pieces that go over the crimp beads, I guess to hide it, because when you crimp the beads it kind of messes them up a little bit. So it like protects it and reinforces it, and you could cover up the little crimp bead. And it took me a second to realize it doesn't pop off. You just twist it. Silly me. And I'll just take one out here and show you. Looks like a little clam shell. And you just put that around the crimp bead and then close it up. Anywho, that is what I got from BeeBeeCraft. Quite a few little supplies here. All just basic things to make a necklace. I just have to provide the clay. And I will. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!